Dear student, in my last day I explained you the derivation of various value of angles with the help of your T ratio from 0 degree to 90 degree. I done 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So all the trigonometrical ratio of these particular angles. Now I will explain you to discuss various high order thinking skills questions which are very important questions, and I am showing you how to evaluate. So that means you have to keep in mind all the values. Your first question is tan square 60 degree plus 4 sin square 45 plus 3 sec square 30 plus 5 cos square 90 divided by cosec 30 plus sec 60 minus cos square 30. In this part you have to evaluate, means to find the value. So if you will just put the value, you know that tan 60 is your root 3, and since it is tan square 60, so this will be root 3 whole square. Then put plus sign, write 4 into sine square 45. You know sine 45 is your 1 by root 2, so 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square. Again plus 3 sec square 30. You know sec 30 is your 2 by root 3. Sec 30 is your 2 by root 3. Then put whole square. Again plus 5. Cos 90 is your 0. So this is your 0 square. Now in the denominator, cosec 30 is your 2. Because the reciprocal of sin 30 is your half. So cosec 30 is your 2. Plus sec 60. Cos 60 is half, then sec 60 is also 2. Minus, you know, cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. That means the cot 30 is your root 3. So this is root 3 whole square. Okay. Now you calculate. Root 3 square is your 3 plus 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2, then plus 3 into, you know, 2 by root 3 whole square means 4 by 3, then plus 5 into 0 means 0. So this will be 0. And in the denominator 2 plus 2 is your 4 minus 3. Root 3 square is 3. Here this 2 and 4 can be cancel each other. You have got 2, and again this 3 and 3 cancel. So now in the numerator, here it is 3. Here it is 3 plus, put a plus sign. Here the quotient is 2, and then here 3 cancel, only 4 left, then plus 4, and in the denominator 4 minus 3 is your 1. So your final answer is your 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. So this is your 9 by 1 means 9. This is your answer. Okay. Now I have to remove it for the next question. So for your next question, question number 2. Suppose there will be a question like, so that if the condition must be given, if angle A is 30 degree, then so that one equation is given, that is square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2 equal sin a. This you have to prove. So in this question you have to solve LHS as well as RHS. So starting from right LHS, square root of 1 minus cos 2 into, put the value of A is your 30 degree by 2 This is your LHS. So what you will get? Square root 1 minus, this is your cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree by 2. Okay, by 2. So final answer what it will be? Again, after that you have to write square root of 1 minus half, because cos 60 is your half, and in the denominator it is 2. In the denominator it is 2. So what will happen? You see, 1 minus half means 1 by 2, the after subtraction you will get, and again in the denominator it is 2. So your answer will be square root of 1 by 2 into 2, means answer is your 1 by 2. So in the left hand side, after putting the value of A as 30 degree, final solution you have got is your 1 by 2. Okay. Now you see sine A. Now you find RHS. Okay. For RHS, so for RHS is, you write RHS sine A. Put the value, sine A is your 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, you can write LHS equal RHS, hence proved. In this way, whenever any question is there, like to show, that means to verify also, you have to find the LHS as well as RHS so that it will be solved. Okay. Another type of question may have, let me discuss another type of question in this video, say question number 3. So if there is a question like, so if suppose the question is, if cos theta plus phi or theta plus phi is equal to 0, and sine theta minus phi is root 3 by 2. So if this was the question, if this is the given part, now find the value of theta and phi. This type of question, it is better you use the concept of your particular angles. Okay, clear? So for solution, you just write given cos theta plus phi equals 0. Cos, the value of cos of which angle becomes 0? 90. That means this simply you can write cos 90 degree. So now you will put by comparing both sides. What will happen? Theta plus phi equal 90 degree. This you can consider as a equation 1. Now for space I have to remove it. Okay. Now second part is your, that is your sine theta minus phi is your root 3 by 2. This is also given. So if you will think that the value root 3 by 2 is the value for which angle of sine, that is your sine 60 degree is your root 3 by 2. So this is your sine 60 degree. Now again you write by comparing both sides, what will happen? That is theta minus phi equal to 60 degree. This is your equation 2. Okay. Now you have to solve equation 1 and 2 to get the final answer. Now what you will do? Adding 1 and 2 both sides. Adding 1 and 2 both sides. what you will get? One is your theta plus phi equal 90 degree. Theta minus phi is your 60 degree. So when you will add phi cancel, this is your 2 theta equal 150 degree. So theta is your 150 by 2 equals 75 degree. Okay. Now substitute the value of theta in equation 1. So what will happen? By putting the value of theta in equation 1. So what will happen? When you will put theta is 75, so 75 degree plus phi is your 90 degree. So that means phi must be equal. So therefore phi must be equal 90 minus 75, that is your 15 degree. So now you write the solution. Answer, that is theta is 75 degree and phi is your 15 degree. So this part is your answer. So in this way you have to solve. Okay. Now we can proceed for the next part of the exercise. If any more questions, any important questions, if there will be, so again, suppose one more example I can show you by considering 3 data. Okay, one more question we can discuss. Should I remove it? Suppose there is a question, say there is a question, that is third question, if 10 a plus b minus c, 10a plus b minus c is your 1, and then sin a b plus c minus sin b plus c minus a equal to, again it will be 1, and third one is cos c plus a minus b, cos c plus a minus b is also equal to 1, and your target is to find ABC. Find ABC. Okay. Similarly, you have to do like that for solution. Instead of if, you have to write given 10a plus b minus c equal to 1. So you know 10 45 degree equal 1. So you write 10 45 degree. So this is your equation 1. So when sin b plus c minus a equal 1, so that is your sin 90 degree. This is your equation 2. When cos c plus a minus b equal to 1, you know cos 0 degree is your 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. So this is your equation 3. Now by comparing both sides, you see your a plus b minus c equal 45 degree, and then b plus c minus a is your 90 degree. Similarly, c plus a minus b is your again 0 degree. So if this, you can consider this as your equation 4, 5 and 6. If you will add all these, what you will see? When you will add plus b, minus b cancel, then minus c plus c cancel, minus a plus a cancel. Okay, then what will remain? 1a will be there, 1b will be there, 1c will be there. Then a plus b plus c will be equal your 5 and 135 degrees. This you can consider as your 7. Here you can write by adding. All these three equation, when you have added, you have got a plus b plus c is your 135. Okay, now what you will have to do? Now there are 4 equations, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means 4, 5, 6 and 7. So from these equations you have to solve. Okay, clear? Okay, so now I have to get space. I must remove all this because now our target is, if you will subtract equation 7 minus equation 4, what will happen? Your 7 means a plus b plus c minus equation 4 is your a plus b minus c. That means if this is your 135 minus 45. So what will happen? A plus, remove the bracket, a plus b plus c minus a minus b and plus c, and after subtraction this will be 90 degree. Here angle A cancel, angle B cancel. Then what you will get? You will get c plus c is your 2c equal 90 degree. So that means angle C is your 45 degree. Okay, you have got the value of angle C. Now you subtract. Now what you will do? Subtract equation 7 minus equation 5 one by one. So your equation 5 is a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c is 90. So you have to write a plus b plus c bracket minus is your b plus c minus a is your 135 degree minus 90 degree. Okay, so what the answer you have got? You see a plus b plus c minus b minus c and plus a. Here after subtraction this is become 45 degree. So what you will get? B cancel, C cancel, a plus a 2a. Okay, so this is your 2a equal 45 degree, then angle A equal 45 by 2, that is 22.5 degree. So now you have got the value of A. And for angle C equation 7 minus equation 6, what will happen? That is your a plus b plus c minus your equation C is, that is your, for equation C what will have to be minus C plus a minus b, that is C plus a minus b, that will be your 135 minus 0, because this part is your 0. So when you will open the bracket, angle A plus B plus C minus angle C, this is your angle C, then minus A plus B is your 135. So you see A and C cancel. So what your result will be? B plus B is 2B. B plus B is your 2B. So 2B is your 135 and B will be equal 135 by 2. That is 67 by 2 degree. So in conclusion, what you have got? For conclusion, your final result, your answer is angle A equal 22.5, angle B equal 67.5, and angle C equal, what you have got as an angle C? Angle C, how much it is? Maybe 45 degree. Angle C, I think it is 45 degree. Okay, angle C is 45 degree. So now you have got the value of A, B and C. So in this way you have to solve the exercise, okay, for trigonometrical ratio of particular angle. Okay, bye. See you next day.